what is the difference between a XML doc comment and simple comment. So if you're interested to check out the same video in Hindi, link is in the video description. In this video, we are going to learn about the simple comments and the XML doc comment and how we can edit. So to perform this task, definitely we need to uh, create some class for a practice purpose. So here is my class, and inside this class, let me create method. Let's say public void calculate calculate data, something like this. This is my one method, and the another method is public void insert data into db. This is my another method. Now if you add comment over here above the function, then you can easily get the idea that okay, this is a calculation function xyz kind of a thing, right? You can, and what will happen is that if you given the meaningful name to your method, then there is no need to specify the comment over here. Yeah, for the testing purpose, for some line of a code, like can we can set like start and end of the code. At that time we can use the comment. But here the important thing is that at the in the interview they'll ask you the questions regarding what is the advantage of a XML doc comment. So if you are interested to place the comment above the on the calculate data, what you need to do, you need to specify 3 times tab, and you can see that now our XML doc comment gets generated. Let me write some message over here. Let this function perform all the mathematical 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 operation, right? Same way, let me add this function perform insertion of data into database, right? So using this summary you can get the idea that because currently this there is no code inside this function, but imagine that in let's say you have a number of line of code inside your function and you want to get the idea that what exactly this function is doing. At that time we can write a summary code over here in this line. Now another advantage of a XML doc comment is that let's say I am going to create the object of a student class. So student obj is equal to new and then student. Okay, now I'm going to access or use the method of calculated data as well as obj dot insert into the database. Fine, and save the application. Now when you place your cursor on line number 12, you can see that immediately it will give you the summary. The when you place the cursor on line number 12, it shows you the summary which you have specified above your function body. You have specified the these functions perform all mathematical operation in line number 18 over here, right? But when you place a cursor on line number 12, something like this, you can see that this function perform all mathematical operation. If I move my cursor from line number 12 to line number 13, it shows me this function perform all. So this function perform insertion of a data into the database. So XML doc comment will help you to get the idea. See, currently this class is the same in the program.cs file, but imagine that if the class and the method both are divided into number of projects, and with the use of a using statement, you are using the methods and functions. At that time when you place the cursor, immediately you can get the idea with the use of a summary and the XML document that okay, this perform xyz task and another function perform pq task. So this is what the advantage, and thank you very much.